If you're one of the many people who is a mobile worker or who simply has to use your car for a million different uses, this month's solutions are for you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you organise your car and mobile office space. If you're a return visitor, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Let's look at how to make to-go kits for different activities that can reduce clutter and save you time. To make these kits, categorize the items you want to keep in your car for each purpose. For example, if you're going to the office, you might need your work ID badge, a parking pass for your building, hand sanitizer, a mask maybe. If you're going to the beach, you might need sunscreen, beach towels, hand sanitizer, and a cooler for beverages. A camping trip kit could have mosquito spray, sleeping bags, extra toilet paper, hand sanitizer. Notice how some of these items span all the lists, like the hand sanitizer. If an item appears in most or all of your activity lists, that's something that needs a permanent place in the car. Items that you only need for grocery runs go in a preferably labeled container that you can grab on your way out of the door. Bring the container back inside when you come home, and when it's time to take the kids to school, grab the go to school kit and get out the door. When you make these kits, it's important to put them in appropriate kind of containers. Containers should be transparent. Picking out the right to-go kit is so much easier if you can see what's in there. And use a label. I say always label. It'll be even easier to grab the right items when you want them. You want your containers to be stackable. Hitting the brakes while driving and hearing items roll around in the trunk or back seat is not the best feeling. When items in your car are loose or in containers that don't stack together, things are a lot more likely to be broken or spill. And stackable containers are more likely to stay put while you drive around, ensuring your items are in good shape at the end of the trip. You want your containers to fit your car. It's really annoying to have half a box worth of space left in the car, or half a box that you can't fit in the car. Use containers that fit the space well and maximize your storage options. Make your containers easy to carry and lift. If you're making a camping to-go kit, it might contain some heavy items. So instead of packing everything into one container that you can't lift, opt for two smaller containers instead. There's no sense in throwing out your back to grab everything in one trip. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe and visit our website, organisetoexcel.com.